In this video, I'll show you how to create multiple AI videos with Kling AI and manage several generations for your content projects. First, decide what videos you want to create. You can generate multiple videos for different topics, different scenes, different characters, or different versions of the same idea. Start by opening Kling AI and creating your first video project. Choose text to video if you want to generate a scene from a written prompt, or image to video if you already have a reference image. Write a clear prompt for your first video. Describe the subject, action, environment, camera movement, lighting, and visual style. Generate the first video and review the result carefully. If it looks good, save it and move on to the next video. For the next generation, you can create a completely different scene or make another version of the same concept. If you want consistent results, keep the important character and visual details the same. For example, if you're creating a series with the same character, reuse the character's appearance, clothing, and reference image whenever appropriate. You can also create several versions of one scene by changing only one part of the prompt. Try different camera movements, lighting, environments, or actions and compare the results. As you generate more videos, organize your clips clearly. Give each video or scene a useful name so you can quickly identify it later during editing. For a larger project, create a simple sequence such as Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and continue until you have all the clips you need. After generating all your videos, import them into your preferred video editor. Arrange the clips in the correct order and remove any versions you don't need. You can then add voiceover, music, captions, sound effects, transitions, and other elements to create the final video. If one generation has a problem, you don't need to regenerate everything. Simply create another version of that specific clip and replace the original. This workflow can save time and gives you much more control over larger AI video projects. And that's how you can create and manage multiple AI videos with Kling AI for YouTube, Shorts, social media, and other content